guys, welcome back to another episode of Happily Home Cooking. Today I'm going to be using up some leftover rotisserie chicken and I'm going to show you how I make my favorite jalapeno chicken salad. I've got myself one of these easy peasy Costco rotisserie chickens, which I used some of in our last video for our chicken Florentine casserole. I'll put a link to that video down in the description if you missed that one. But today we're using the other half to make some chicken salad for a quick, easy, flavorful lunch. The jalapeno in this recipe just adds amazing flavor and does not make this spicy, so this is a great recipe for the whole family. Before we whip up this quick lunch, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of our family favorite recipes. So obviously the first ingredient we will need for our chicken salad is some cooked chicken. Like I said, I am using this Costco rotisserie chicken, but you can really use any kind of chicken you like. I will often use leftover barbecue chicken. Even canned chicken will work. So we are going to just chop up our chicken into bite-sized pieces to start. I am using about half a chicken here today, and I've just removed the skin. All right, and we will toss that into a large bowl. The next thing I'm going to add is a bit of onion. I am using just yellow onion, but really any kind of onion you have is fine. And I will finely chop 1/4 of this large onion and save the rest for something else. And into our large bowl it goes. Next, I'll chop up a few stalks of celery. I love the crunch that celery adds to chicken salad. Adds great texture. In you go with the chicken and onions. And now the ingredient that sets this recipe apart from other chicken salad recipes, some pickled jalapenos. You can use as much or as little of these as you like. I'm using the hot pickled jalapenos today, but I will often use the tamed ones as well. Those are really, really good. And I'm just going to finely chop these up. So again, they're not gonna make it real spicy, but they are gonna add a really great flavor. Now, along with chopping the jalapenos, the other thing I like to add is a few spoonfuls of the jalapeno juice, which is mostly vinegar, and it's going to add great moisture and again, just more flavor to our chicken salad. And then last but not least, we are going to bring our chicken salad together with some good old mayonnaise. Couple spoonfuls, again, as much or as little as you like. Season it up as needed with some additional salt or pepper. I find the Costco rotisserie chickens are plenty salty, so I just like to add a good amount of extra pepper, and then we will stir this all together. This has become my go-to recipe. It's a really good way to use up those chicken leftovers. It makes a super quick, easy lunch. You can serve it on a sandwich or just with some crackers we like to do a lot of the time, or grab yourself a fork and keep it low carb. And I'd love to hear what other additions you like to make to your chicken salad. If you have any great ideas you'd like to share, leave them in the comments for us. And that is how we make our family's favorite jalapeno chicken salad. I hope you enjoyed this recipe idea today. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to our channel so that you don't miss out on any more of our family's favorite recipes. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy home cooking.